Hi everyone. Welcome to Learn with Confidence, your go-to channel for mastering English and building fluency. Today, I'm going to share some simple tips, strategies, and examples to help you start speaking English confidently. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start with simple sentences. You don't need to speak perfect English right away. Start small. For example, you. Hi, how are you? To friend. I'm good, thank you. And you? You. I'm doing well. It's nice to see you. Keep it simple and focus on short, clear sentences. Step 2. Practice common questions and answers. Learn everyday questions to feel more confident in conversations. Here are a few examples. Question. What's your name? Answer. My name is Sarah. Question. Where are you from? Answer. I'm from Canada. Question. What do you do? Answer. I'm a student. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Step 3. Speak out loud daily. Don't just think in English, say it out loud. For example, if you're describing your day, you. Today, I went to the park. It was sunny, and I had a great time. Speaking aloud helps you improve pronunciation and build confidence. Step 4. Listen and repeat. Listening is key to learning. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, or follow YouTube videos. Tip. Repeat what you hear. For example, listen. I'd like a coffee, please. You repeat. I'd like a coffee, please. Imitating native speakers will improve your accent and fluency. Step 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone does. For example, you. I go to market yesterday. A friend. Oh, you mean you went to the market yesterday? You. Yes, I went to the market. Every mistake is a chance to learn. Keep going. Step 6. Practice with a partner. Find someone to practice with, friends, family, or even online. Example conversation. You. Hi, what did you do today? Friend. I went shopping. What about you? You. I watched a movie. It was really good. Having regular conversations will boost your confidence quickly. Step 7. Use new words every day. Learn 1 or 2 new words daily and use them in sentences. For example, new word, delicious. Sentence. This pizza is delicious. Expanding your vocabulary helps you express yourself better. Step 8. Stay positive and keep practicing. Confidence comes with time. Don't give up. Remember, it's okay to pause or think before speaking. Celebrate small wins like learning a new phrase or completing a conversation. With consistent practice, you'll see amazing progress. And that's it for today's lesson on how to start speaking English confidently. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about trying, learning, and growing every day. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join us for more practical English tips. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.